Hi, I'm David Ward and welcome to Dream Doors Plymouth. At Dream Doors, we are here to provide customers with a choice. From replacing a whole kitchen to replacing any single component. The choice is entirely yours and you are in control. We have a complete choice of worktops, from laminates through to granite and quartz, but also including other materials such as Minerva and seamless wharf. We're situated on Chapel Street, just opposite the Esso station. There's free parking outside and there's disabled access. You are most welcome to drop into the showroom at any time. We'll be delighted to see you, have a coffee, discuss what your needs might be, and you can see the quality of the products that are available to you.